Howdy, cowboys and cowgirls. It's me, Cowboy Jack. On this rainy day, I've got Cowboy Kaden, Cowgirl Addison with me, but they have to do something really important, and I thought it'd be really fun if you guys came along with us. What do we have to do, Kaden?
Brush teeth.
Well, not only brush teeth, we do that twice a day
We get our teeth cleaned.
That's right. We're here at Mor Smiles for Kids in Wood Forest, Montgomery, Texas, and we're gonna go see Dr. Josh. Dr. Josh Morales always takes great care of you guys' teeth, right?
Yeah.
And it's been about 6 months. You have to come to the dentist twice a year to make sure everything's going great. So let's go inside and get a teeth cleaning, okay? Y'all ready? Come on, guys. All right, guys, here we are inside Mor Smiles for Kids, and they called us back. Kaden and Addison, you guys ready to get your teeth cleaned?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yes.
All right, let's get going.
Okay.
Come on back. How's everybody today?
I'm doing great. Now, these guys might be a little bit nervous. I guess, you know, it's normal to feel a little nervous when you go to the dentist, but that's silly because you guys are absolute rock stars. This is so cool.
All right, Kaden, can you stand on the scale for me? Let me see how heavy you got.
Okay.
Wow, you're growing up.
53.5 pounds. Boy, that's a lot. Man,
job.
good
Okay,
job.
come on
Addison,
over
let's see. Whoops. Whoopsie.
Silly scale.
Be careful, girl.
Holy cow.
Let's see.
Does she weigh more than this?
No.
Oh, but she's getting big too.
43.6. She's catching up to you.
Okay, Kaden, can I see how tall you are? Come around over here. Can you put your back on the wall for me right there? Good. I'm going to just pull this little measuring tape down. 121 centimeters.
121 centimeters. Now that's really cool. They're using the metric system to collect your height information.
All right,
Addison, you're up.
turn. 108 centimeters. Okay, Addison, you're going to sit in this big chair. Addison, you're going to sit here.
Addison, get in that chair, babe.
Miss Lydia is going to take some pictures of your teeth today.
Oh,
and
wow.
Kaden, you get to come with me over here.
All right.
Come on. Chair. Perfect. All right, I'm going to take some pictures on your teeth, okay? I'll show you all the cool stuff.
Addison, you look angry. Give us a smile.
All right, you remember the camera? Yeah? We got some pictures last time on your teeth, too. I'll show you. All right, so this is the bite stick. All you're going to do is bite right here, okay? And then this is what the picture goes on.
This is so cool. So these are x-rays, right?
They are.
That is so exciting. Addison, you ready for x-rays? Give me a thumbs up. There it is. She is brave and excited. This is so cool.
Right, and I got my camera ready. So all you're going to do is open big like an alligator, okay? You ready? Okay, perfect. Can you look up so I can see? Perfect. All right, can you bite down? Perfect. Stay biting.
Good job,
I'm gonna take a
Addison.
picture with my camera. All right, open. Good job.
Looky there. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
All right, now I gotta do the other side. All right, open big. Stay open. Stay open. Perfect. Now bite down. All right. Oops, stay biting. Perfect, just like that. I'm gonna take another picture. All right, open. Good. Now let's check these pictures out.
Addison, good job, girl. Give me 5. That was easy, huh? Are you excited about it? Addison. Hello. I think those pictures got to her head. Actually, she's really tired today. She's already been at school all day. I see what she's doing. Guys, they even have a TV over here on the wall and she's watching a movie. That is silly. See, Addison, she took those pictures and now she can even pull them up on the computer for us to look at.
Yeah, you did so good. Thank you for helping me with those.
Wow, look at those chompers.
All right. Do you want to pick out a sticker?
See, this is so cool. Let's go take a peek at what Cowboy Kaden's up to. Oh wow, Cowboy Kaden has some really cool headphones on, and What are you doing there?
We're just about to start polishing his teeth up. I'm going to use my
Polish.
special little toothbrush. It looks like a little electric toothbrush with a little rubber cup.
That is
It's
so
gonna go
cool.
Around and around. Let me show you how it feels on your front tooth. Just like that. We're going to go in and tickle all the rest of your teeth up, okay? Good job.
Kaden, you're a rock star, dude. You're doing a good job, man.
Okay.
And you do that to each and every tooth?
Every tooth on the inside and outside.
Well,
Open big, big like an alligator for me. Good job. Sometimes a little more tickly on the inside.
Addison, you come over here.
all right, guys. Addison's up. Come on, Addison.
Come sit up in this chair right here.
Come here, babe.
Good job. All right. Here, can you lift up your sleeve? I gotta measure your muscles.
Let's see here.
Perfect.
I'm about to fall.
Oh, I won't let you fall.
There we go. All right. All it's gonna do is give your arm a big hug, okay?
You know how Daddy checks his blood pressure at home? They're checking
Set your
yours
arm
right
down.
now.
You can just rest.
Just relax.
Perfect. Good job. It's just gonna give you a big hug, okay?
It just kind of squeezes funny, right?
Yeah.
Feels a little funny, but remember how Daddy does it at home? It makes sure our heart's doing great, and it tells us what our different pressures are from our heart. It's really important.
All right, we're going to give you a nice little rinse. I'm going to spray some water in your mouth and use my little suction. There we go.
Oh, Cowboy Caden's getting all of his teeth all washed out, looking all pretty.
Yep. All right, you can close your lips and give it a little kiss. Good, and open. Good job. And now we're going to do a little bit of flossing.
Ooh. Now he made it a little bit easier on you because I noticed he lost a tooth recently. We had a visit from the tooth fairy.
Wow. Did you get some money from the tooth fairy? Okay, buddy. We're all done. Do you want another rinse? No?
No more rinse? Give me a smile while you're laying down there. Good job, dude.
He's ready for Dr. Josh.
What are you listening to? Pearl Jam? Some Nirvana? Something really cool like Dad used to listen to? No. Oh, I know what it is. Guys, there's another TV right up there and he's
All right,
watching.
sweetheart, can you lay right here? Put your head in a circle for me. Good. I'm going to get you to scooch up. Perfect. I'm going to give you some sunglasses so I don't shine my light in your eyes. Would you like to listen to the movie while I clean your teeth? Yeah? All right.
Addison, you look so cool hanging out there.
Here we go. We're going to do the same thing as we did on your brother.
This is so cool. See? Guys, I know a lot of times you feel nervous about coming to the dentist, but look how much fun they're having. They're getting to watch a movie that's up on the ceiling up there. They're just hanging out. She's got these headphones on listening to that, and they're just taking a good look at these look at these guys.
All right, let's put this on. I don't want to wreck your shirt. Oh. Okay, we're going to do the same thing as your brother. Do you remember the little toothbrush? Do you want me to show you how it feels on your finger? This is your hand. Okay, this is how it's going to feel on your tooth. Tickly, isn't it?
You like that?
Same on your tooth. Oh, Dr. Josh is here.
Hey, Dr. Josh, how you
How are y'all?
doing?
Y'all doing good?
Yes, sir. How about yourself?
Doing excellent.
Well-
Thanks for asking.
These guys are tough patients, but
Oh man, they look like it. Any questions or concerns for me about them?
No, Caden's starting to lose a lot of teeth. He lost his third recently, so we got a visit from the tooth fairy.
Hey, how much did you get?
How much did you get?
$10.
$10.
What are you gonna do with all your money? You're gonna buy a boat.
I told him he needed to buy Dad a Tesla Cybertruck.
If you bought a boat, would you let Mom and Dad go on it? Would you drive it fast or slow? What do you think?
Fast.
Fast?
Oh, man.
Oh man.
You know I get seasick. That's not fair.
Hey, I'm gonna put this over my face so in case I cough, I won't cough on you, okay? And I have these silly looking glasses. They let me see better, okay? And check it out. I even have a flashlight. You know why I have the flashlight?
What?
So do you know why I have the flashlight? Because your mouth is dark like a cave. There's no lights in your mouth. Do you have a light in your mouth? No. Alright, dude, let's take a look here and see how you're doing. Awesome. Just gonna look with my little mirror here. Can you bite together? I wanna see how your teeth touch together. Now that's not how you normally do it. You're trying to trick me, dude. Can you open really big for me? Now I want you to close your teeth and swallow. That's kind of more how you do it. Can you open really big for me again, bud? I'm gonna help you. Close that on. Let's see where you hit. There we go. And then we shift. And we shift. Now bite all the way down again, dude. No, we'll go off of here. He is distal 3, anterior end to end. Spacing is equal and positive. Overbite 0, overjet 0. Open big for me, bud. Excellent. Team face normal. Stick your tongue way out here, dude, and say ah. Can you stick your tongue outside your mouth? Say ah. Beautiful. 3 plus 2.
Addison's getting all flossed up.
Okay. Addison, do you want to have another rinse?
He has 30 now.
No? Alrighty.
Boy, nobody wants the extra rinse today. I think the rinse is the best part.
Me too.
Good job, Addison. Give me a high five.
Just gotta get any food that gets stuck on your teeth off here.
Mm-hmm. That's all those snacks, Cowboy Kaden.
Oh man. What's your favorite snack, kid?
Strawberry bar.
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty good. You like chocolate too? Did you know that chocolate's one of the better snacks you can have for your teeth when it comes to sweet stuff?
Well, that's
Because
interesting.
It melts out of your teeth. Same thing with ice cream.
But you know what, Dr.
You don't
Josh?
like ice cream, do you? Yeah.
Dr. Josh, the other day we were looking in Cowboy Caden's room.
Uh-huh.
We were kind of taking a look around. We were suspicious of something.
Oh no.
Underneath his bed, we found a huge pile of candy wrappers, and you should never do that,
Dude,
guys.
You snuck candy.
Yeah, we had a long talk about that. We don't do that.
No, just when Mom and Dad give it to you, okay? Hey, do you want bubble gum, cotton candy, caramel, or no flavored vitamins? What do you think? Did you hear me?
Kaden?
Bubble gum, cotton candy, caramel, or no flavor? What do you think?
Bubble gum.
Bubble
I
gum.
knew he
That
was gonna
my
pick
favorite.
bubble gum.
You know what these vitamins do? They make your teeth super strong so you don't get cavities. Hey, I'm gonna dry off your teeth and we're just gonna use this little bitty brush and we're just gonna paint it on. And guess what? You don't have to brush your teeth tonight.
What?
Cool, huh? Awesome, dude. You're all done. Hop up.
Good job, Bubba.
Go. All right, come over here. You can get some water.
Hey, let's take a look at your turn now, okay? I'm gonna put my gloves on so my fingers don't get dirty.
Let's scoot your head up to where it's supposed to
There
go,
you
silly
go.
goose.
Keep coming
Whoops.
up here. There we go, right there.
Let's fix your
Excellent.
headphones, fix your glasses. Now you're looking so cool.
Yeah, let's put this napkin so we don't get your beautiful sweater dirty, and we're just gonna look with our little mirror, okay? Cool. Can you bite together for me, sweetie? Beautiful. Now we're gonna track how she grows, so you're gonna hear some numbers, and that's how I know how she grows over time. Mesial 1, no. Positive equal 103. Open big for me, say ah. Excellent. TMJ's normal, stick your tongue way out here and say ah. Now we're gonna track and see how she breathes. Can you stick your tongue way out there, sweetie? Can you say ah?
Addison, touch your tongue, touch your chin with your tongue.
3, 3, and 3 also. Excellent. Wow, look at those beautiful teeth. Gotta check your lips too. Oh my goodness. Wonderful. No cavities. I love it. Hey, let's extra sparkle a few little spots here, and then it'll be vitamin time, and you will be ready to pick out a prize.
That is so cool.
Pretty easy, huh?
Dr. Josh, when you say all those numbers, those all signify something, right?
Exactly. So I am checking how her teeth and jaw come together. And I'm also checking her airways, how she breathes, and some other different structures like how her tongue's attached. And I want to see how that changes as she gets bigger.
That is so cool. And guys, like there's so many different professions you can choose in life, but dentistry, Dr. Josh was so dedicated and went to so much schooling, so he is an absolute expert in his field. Not only that, he sees a lot of kiddos every day, making sure their teeth are spick and span, growing right.
It's so much fun to work with kids, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Hey, do you want bubble gum, cotton candy, caramel, or no flavored vitamins? What do you think?
I think
Bubblegum's my favorite.
I think she's a bubblegum girl.
You like bubble gum? All right, let's do bubble gum.
You're gonna get those vitamins just like Kaden did, and then you don't have to brush your teeth tonight. Isn't that crazy?
Let's dry off your teeth. Beautiful. And let's paint them. Excellent. You are all done, sweetie. You can hop up, okay?
Good job, Addison. Way to go.
Come over here, Addison. Let's get you your rinse at the sink.
Man, they look great. No cavities.
Over here.
Wow, guys, this was so cool. Dr. Josh, thank you for taking care of Kaden and Addison.
Thank you for coming.
You're such a great dentist. Did you guys have fun seeing Dr. Josh and everybody that works here?
Thank you for coming and seeing us. Hey, remember, we don't brush tonight, okay? Otherwise, keep up the good work. Hey, do you remember the best snack I told you that you can have as far as sweet treats go? What was it? Can you tell everybody what a good treat to have for your teeth?
Chocolate and ice cream.
Because it melts away from your teeth.
Melts away.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, all right. Well, anyways, this was so fun. Dr. Josh, thanks again for doing such a great job with my kiddos. All right, guys, let's go. All right, cowboys and cowgirls. Wow, what an amazing time here at Mor Smiles for Kids in Montgomery, Texas. Dr. Josh took great care of these kiddos' teeth. They got a goodie bag with all sorts of stuff in it. We're gonna have so much fun. But man, these smiles are super clean. So I hope you guys stay tuned because we go on all kinds of adventures together. But until we see, hey, can y'all help me with the yeehaw? All right, until we see you next time, 1, 2, 3. Yeehaw!